Greetings for the day to everyone. Today I Shivang Sharma, student of BCA 4th semester, going to give an overview presentation regarding my project Fantasy Cricket League through Python. As everybody in India is aware of cricket, it is a sport played all over in India and there is no one who haven't played cricket ever in his lifetime. Same as me and my teammates are cricket lovers too. That's why we have chosen this project as our project over others. Fantasy Cricket League is a virtual game where we can select our own team of real cricket players and gain points. Here we can gain points or score points as the chosen players perform in a match. You must try and get the maximum points and the number one rank amongst other participants. Process for developing the game. Programming is done by Python, database handled through SQLite Studio, designing by Qt Designer. Python is an integrated high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is designed philosophically emphasize code readability with its notable use of significant white space. It is a language constructor and object-oriented approach aimed to help programmers write clear logical code for small and large-scale projects. Python supports module and packages which encourage programs modularity and code reusability. The author of Python, Guido van Rossum also worked in Google and Dropbox. Rossum is a Dutch programmer who is currently working with Python Streaming Council. History of Python. The name Python was taken through a British comedy group called Monty Python. And Idle is an integrated development and learning environment. It is used to execute single statements. The name Idle came from one of the members of Monty Python group called Eric Idle. Features of Python. An interactive shell, a fully featured text editor, act as a debugger. SQL structured query language is a domain-specified language used in a programming and designed for managing data held in a relational database management system. RDBMS is a DBMS designed specifically for relational database. Therefore, RDBMSs are subsets of DBMSs. RDBMSs is a specific structured DBMS where we can store data in a specific form of rows and columns. RDBMS was proposed by A.F. Codd in 1970. Commonly, RDBMS use create, retrieve, update and delete commands. SQLite is used in our project because every project which involves a high amount of data and data movements requires a database. So for database connectivity we have used SQLite because it is a open source, it is serverless, it needs no configuration, it is a complete database single disk file that can be deployed on any platform. SQL commands are similar to standard SQL commands. SQLite can have interface with most of the mainstream languages including Python. Let me show you an example of SQLite Studio window to make it easy to understand. This is a window of SQLite Studio which we have used to store data. Qt Designer. For designing a software, you need a GUI kit or software to give user a software which is easy to understand and use. We have used Qt Designer tool for GUI support. It is developed in C++ as it is easy to design tools that lets designer import designs from sketches in Photoshop to Qt animate them. Let me show you an example of Qt Designer window to make it easy to understand. This is a main dialog box which will appear as we open our project program. This is a scoreboard calculation where at the right right side column will be the output actual points which has been scored by the team as we have selected earlier. There are some simple rules through which the points to be calculated in the game. Like there are few betting rules. If a batsman scores 2 runs, for every 2 runs he will gain 1 point. For every half century he will gain additional 5 points. For every century he will gain additional 10 points. For maintaining the strike rate of 80 to 100 with the range of 80 to 100 he will get 2 points additional. For getting more than 100 strike rate he will get 4 runs additional. Same as with the bowlers and the fielders. Bowlers will get 10 points for each wicket and fielders will get 10 points for each catch, stumping and run out done by them. Economy wise they have additional points to gain, and for getting 5 wickets haul in an inning or 3 wicket haul in an inning there is some additional points too. So thank you, that's all from our project. I would like to thank my teammates Shubham Saxena and Tapaswi Mishra for helping me out in this project. We would also like to thank our respectable HOD sir and our respected teachers of computer application department for helping us out in the project and providing us the opportunity to present over it here. Thank you.